जिसकी दीवानी ब्रिज की हर बाला, वो वृंदावन का एक प्यारा सा ग्वाला। उसके नाम की धुन हम क्या ही लगाएंगे, वो दुनिया का सबसे मधुर बांसुरी वाला। जी हाँ दोस्तों, मैं बात कर रहा हूँ किशन कन्हैया जी, जिनकी धुन आज लगने वाली है CISE बिल्डिंग एडमंटन में। धुन के साथ साथ लोग उनकी भक्ति में मशगूल होने वाले हैं। हरे राम हरे कृष्ण हरे राम। यहाँ पे राधा कृष्ण की जो धुन लगेगी, उसके साथ में भक्ति में लीन होंगे वहाँ के गायक कलाकार, और साथ में साथ V4U रेडियो का मैं आपका दोस्त हरदीप खत्री भी। तो आइए मैं आपको लेकर चलता हूँ CISE बिल्डिंग में, जहाँ पर चाय एंड चैंट्स कृष्णा होने जा रहा है। आइए चलते हैं।
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल
Of spiders, intent in our wonderland. We are all beautiful fools, beautiful, beautiful fools. I'm a fool, you're a fool. We are all beautiful fools, beautiful, beautiful fools. We are all naked as truth, though we cover ourselves by degrees. Shiny layers of fabric and manners so fine, adventures, artifice, deeds. We are all beautiful fools, beautiful, beautiful fools. I'm a fool, you're a fool. We are all beautiful fools, beautiful, beautiful fools.
whose support make this event possible. Puneet of India Council of Indian Societies of Edmonton. Thank you. Anuji of V4U Radio. Thank you.
Hardeep Khatri, all kudos to him. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Sandeep Ji from Dairy Queen Milkwoods. Thank you. Mickey of Inisha Real Estate. Thank you. Gordon Ji of Sapphire Law. Thank you. Jeeta Ji of I Love Opticals. Thank you.
I hope you guys are having a good time. It's absolutely a pleasure and honor to be sitting in front of these such talented musicians and part of these radio. And I'm also so blessed to have a very special guest and dignitary here from our City Council office. Jennifer Rice has graced us by being here. She has certainly been so active in the community, and she comes from, I'll try, Ipikuhin Tani Piahotsi Ward. I know I just butchered it completely, but this is how it is. So thank you so much, Jennifer, for coming and blessing us, of course, and thank you to all some family, friends, and who have just come and graced this occasion. It is certainly a house-full show, and it looks so wonderful from this side, as well as I'm sure that it looks equally good from that side too. So I just have a small little gift, not gift, but just a token of gratitude for Jennifer. I would appreciate if Shamila ji, you can do the honors, please. Jennifer ji, please, you will come and accept this token from Shamila ji on behalf of Kalakar Society here, and I hope you continue to just bless us, grace us as well. We don't want to break the rhythm, but of course, if she's here, just see, of course.
Hello, good evening. So this is wonderful, such a wonderful music, right? Yeah. I really love this music, and I was so amazing for all this music and their wonderful performance. I understand. I just want to say one more thing. I was so surprised because I don't know Anu could sing such wonderful song. So I want to give you a hug before I leave. And then I really want to enjoy the evening. I know I cannot stay to the end because I have a larger event, but I really feel honored to be here to support our community and for the wonderful music. And because wonderful music is build that culture and contribute to our city and for our beautiful city where we build for everyone. Thank you so much and enjoy your night.
Thank you. It doesn't belong there. It belongs to the council. The next event should be at the council. So thank you, Shivani. So from my side, I welcome everybody, and let's support them with one more round of applause. I'm looking forward to all these musicians and more to come back here and make another event that's memories to remember for life. Thank you.
दोस्तों, एक और ट्रिमेंडस इवेंट यहाँ पर कंप्लीट हुआ, चाय चैंट कृष्णा। CISE बिल्डिंग के नाम पर एक और मेडल। पुनीत मनचंदा जी यहाँ पर हमारे साथ में, प्रेसिडेंट CISE के। पुनीत जी, आप बताइए कि आपको कैसा लगा? ये पहली इवेंट थी वैसे ये चाय चैंट वाली, या फिर दूसरी?
इनफैक्ट जो पहली इवेंट थी एक और लोकेशन पे थी, एंड द वेन्यू एक्चुअली डिडंट कॉम्पनसेट फॉर द आर्टिस्ट। तो मुझे ये लगा कि ऐसे आर्टिस्ट, ऐसा इवेंट, इट बिलोंग्स टू द काउंसिल बिकॉज वी आर देयर टू प्रमोट द कल्चर एंड दिस इज आवर कल्चर। तो जो चाय एंड चैंट वाला इवेंट है, दैट इज समथिंग दैट शोकेसेस व्हाट इंडिया इज ऑल अबाउट। अगर आप सब वृंदावन को जानते हैं, we actually reached Vrindavan for these hours, and that was tremendous experience for every one of us. मैं कहते जो भी यहाँ पर है, it's a memory for a lifetime. Having Krishna, in fact, we had a Krishna with a Moorpanki. That was awesome, and I'm a big fan of him. His flute was awesome. Each and every performer was tremendous. Shruti ji, Sharmila ji, Anupam ji, they all made this worthwhile. Actually, this time was not even worthwhile. It just added a lot more value to our lives. ऐसे events जो हैं, they belong to not just here. They have to go bigger and better. We really wanted to make sure that the culture of India is showcased in these kind of events, and performers like these actually get the due recognition that they should be getting. They put in so many hours, but we really don't get to know the amount of work they do. And when we see the final output, that was tremendous. It just transported us into a different location and a different era altogether. So thank you so much, Sharmila ji, for this awesome event, and we are looking forward to more and more of these.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
दो लाइन थोड़ा बोलने की।
काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया सोसाइटीज ऑफ एडमंटन, जो कि आपको पता है कि हब है, एक अलग अलग जैसे गुजराती कम्युनिटीज हो गई, बंगाली कम्युनिटीज हो गई, और अलग अलग जितनी भी कम्युनिटीज है उनका एक हब है। तो आज एक और मेडल यहाँ पर मिला, जैसे कि कह सकते हैं, मेडल तो नहीं कह सकते, लेकिन एक और अचीवमेंट के कृष्ण चाय एंड चैन कृष्णा जो इवेंट हुआ, तो कलाकारों ने भी आवर्स जैसे कि लगाए, पुनीत जी ने बताया। तो आइए कलाकारों से जानते हैं कि जिन्होंने सिंगिंग की। अनु भाई हमारे साथ में, शीला जी।
Endless hours were put in, and we were 19 performers. So it takes a lot of coordination, you know, for everyone to be free at same time and to be able to come and perform, do the rehearsal. But you know what I'm going to miss from tomorrow is our rehearsals, because we had so much fun doing that. And Shruti, as always, is amazing.
You know, I'd like to add here, you know, we talk about our culture, we talk about different religious music and scripts we have. Just within Krishna, we could do a full concert. So that shows the immense music and culture connection that we have, and that's great that we could do this. And thank you for all those who could come in and experience this with us.
And here you saw another personality of Anup. He is normally behind the camera, so he was in front of the camera. How did you feel?
Well, this is a double win for me. I know Sharmila ji for last 2 decades, and ये तो मेरी इतना कि एक ड्रीम कम ट्रू कि सिटिंग विद यू एंड परफॉर्मिंग, इनको गुरु भी मानता हूँ। एंड श्रुति इज गॉट सच अ ब्यूटिफुल मेलोडियस वॉइस। सो ऐसे परफॉर्मर्स के साथ म्यूजिशियंस को मजा भी आता है। म्यूजिक हैज बीन माई पैशन, एंड दिस इज व्हाई आई स्टार्टेड वी फॉर यू रेडियो एंड टीवी। एंड आज कितना कि एक सपना साकार हुआ। इतने 19 म्यूजिशियन साथ, मेरे ख्याल से पहली बार 18 साल में बैठा मैं और इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म किया। CISC का सपोर्ट, गौरव भाई, गौरव शर्मा फ्रॉम सफायर लॉ, ऑफ कोर्स इमेंस सपोर्ट। तो एनर्जी जो होती है वो अंदर से भी आती है, ऊर्जा जो होती है वो बाहर से बहुत आती है आपके, जो आपको मोटिवेट करती है, जो आज आपने देखा। सो आई थिंक वो पूरा क्राउड था जो हमको ऊर्जा दे रहा था और हम परफॉर्म कर रहे थे। सो कलाकार को मेरा बहुत शुभकामनाएं कि अब तो जुड़ भी गया हूं मैं। कोशिश करेंगे हम लोग और बड़े बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म देखे हैं। शर्मिला जी इज वेरी डियर, श्रुति इज एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग, हरदीप थैंक यू, शिवानी थैंक यू सो मच, एंड पुनीत मनचंदा, व्हाट अ लीडर, आगे बढ़ चढ़ के सपोर्ट करना। सो इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग टू द एंटायर एडमिंटन टीम, to Kalakar, and I hope we continue to really enchant people like this.
So now I'm going to play the part where I belong to, which is V4U Radio. I'm so blessed and privileged to be part of Kalakar's team as well, and I've got 3 beautiful musicians with me. I exclusively wanted to start with Maria here. Friends, as humble as she looks, and what a performer and what a performance today from Maria Dunn. And friends, she is a Juno Award winner, and she performed such beautiful couple songs. I think I could have heard her for a lot of hours. Maria, how do you feel today?
Well, I'm very, very honored to be here, and I'm so grateful that Sharmila invited me. And what a beautiful chance to sing with Shruti again, and to sing with you as well, Anup. It's new music to me. I think Hari Sundar was the one song that I remembered from Indian Music Ensemble, and the rest was new. So I was trying very hard not to make mistakes.
You did a good job.
Well, your 2 songs, The Colonial Cousin, was perfectly sung with Shruti, and of course Beautiful Fools absolutely mesmerized the audience. Sharmila ji, coming to you, as Kalakar Society. You've been doing music forever. 2 decades in Edmonton. What next?
I want Kalakar Society to grow and keep having these amazing, all of you in the society, so that we can do tremendously for everyone, to give them stage, to just, connect and to create this kind of energy. Absolutely.
Well, we are blessed to have you in Edmonton, because a lot of young people are looking to get trained under your leadership. Shruti and you two have been together for many years, and as I said in my last video, that I'm blessed to be a part and sitting beside you. Shruti, you got such a melodious voice. When you sing, the entire crowd just goes in silence and listens. Tell me something about how you felt today and what next is coming, bring to the Edmontonians.
Absolutely, and organizing such events and having such events is so important for artists. Now, whether we see the local music and having a multicultural component here is what is the main highlight, right? And I am part of ethnomusicology. I'm doing my research work in ethnomusicology, and this is all it takes, right? Music is so important in the society, and that has to be spread. And we have people like Maria, Sharmila ji, who bring music, and people like you who needs to be part of music lovers, right? And performer himself. So this was a wonderful collaboration, and I'm really hoping we can get this trend on, and we can create more local musical events like these.
Well, once again, a proud media sponsor of Chai and Chant event happened at CISC. I'm so grateful to have such great musicians and be part of it. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you.
सो दोस्तों, CISE बिल्डिंग यहाँ एडमंटन पर चाय एंड चैंट कृष्णा आज जो इवेंट हुआ 17 नवंबर को, मैं लेकर आया हूँ स्पॉन्सर आपके सामने मिकी दोहरा जी, जो एक रियल्टर हैं। मिकी जी, बताइए, हाउ डिड यू फाइंड दिस इवेंट?
I think it was a very beautiful event. It's just like a mix of music and spirituality, which is a great celebration, and it's a great way to connect people together, and I just loved it. It was so magical. So thank you so much for having me here. Yeah, and I would love to help you guys if you're looking to buy or sell, or if you just need any information or advice. Please feel free to reach out to me at 780-690-0134. Thank you.
गोविंद बोलो हरि गोपाल।